On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok on top the kind legacy wey e wan leave for Naija police force. Tori wey dey reach us for Live Media na on top the better Informate wey Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari wey be yarn on top the kind legacy wey e want make Naija police force make dem get as im be tanda as Naija Presido. E tok dis one wen e dey commission the operational motto and asset dem wey Naija police go use to dey do better work for the country. E say the kind mind wey im get as Naija Presido na to see say better legacy dey ground as e be say Naija police force go get ogbonge equipment dat na like motor or the things wey dem go dey use to see say security matter e waka well for the country. And e tok say dis one no be on top the facility wey dem go get, as dem go get ogbonge training, the one wey go waka with technology wey dey waka for the whole world on top how security katakata take dey comot for ground. Presido Muhammadu Buhari tok say na on top dis one na im make federal government shook eye put as dem don recruit 10,000 extra police pipo dem and dem don put dem for money matter for the year, as dis one go allow the pipo wey dey police force make dem plenty well and e go make work dey waka sharp sharp. E con tok say on top all dis work so na im don still put hand for police trust fund bill, as dis one go help for public-private money matter on top how police go fit take face wetin dem get on top katakata how money take dey waka for dem. Presido Muhammadu Buhari con still tok on top money matter wey police force dey face. E say federal government go continue to put body well to see say dem put better money and dem hard put as dis one go increase wetin oyinbo dey call manpower dat na the pipo wey dey work on top dis ministry. E con tok say for the Naija Police Trust Fund, dis one go help dem on top all the matter wey dem need, as im don tell Minister for Police Affairs say make im sharp sharp see say dis kind money e begin dey work. Presido Muhammadu Buhari tok say body sweet am on top the plans and the ideas wey police force for Naija bin get for ground, as dis one go help dem solve the katakata wey Naija dey get, and dem don change the mind wey Naija pipo get on top police well, as e be say Naija pipo don dey get better trust say police go fit stand gidigba for dem. E con tok on top the collabo wey Naija police force dey get with state government, ogbonge stakeholders dem and other security agency wey dey work on top security for the country, as e tok say dis one na im make am salute the work wey Inspector General of Police dey do as e dey manage all the things wey dey Naija police force to see say work dey waka go on. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari bin commission Nigerian Police National Command and Control Center (NPFC-4I) and the first phase of Naija Police Crime and Incident Database (NPC and IDB) Center, as e con tell police leadership dem say make dem tanda gidigba on top the plan wey dem get to tanda Naija matter well. Presido Muhammadu Buhari con still salute the leadership wey Naija police force get as dem waka on top im agenda for im administration, and dis one na on top say im wan see say all the katakata wey dey on top security and the kidnap and tiffy dem say all dis one e end and Naija police force dey follow im administration take dey waka dis one. Inspector General of Police Mohammed Adamu and Minister of Police Affairs Magari Dinyadi dey con salute Presido Muhammadu Buhari for im ogbonge support wey e dey give Naija police force, as dis one dey help dem tanda security matter well for the country. Na here we see the ogbonge Informate reach on top with tori for today, as e be say tori wey dey reach us for Live Media na on top the Informate wey Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari wey e don give on top the kind legacy wey im bin want make dem get for the country. Make una come sabi say dis Informate wey una give una so na Live Media na im bring am come. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp Informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.